workshop. Homework 103. Now we're doing cone. It's the third one. All right, now something about cone. If you notice, pi r squared times h, that's for a cylinder. Cylinder's volume is pi r squared times h. And then we got a cone is 1/3. So a cone, if they have the same radius and height as a cylinder, it's 1/3 of it. So that's the relationship. So if they ever have the same radius and height, you can either divide it by 3 or multiply this by 3 to get the cylinder. So just understand that connection. All right. But we're not going to worry about that, so I'm crossing out. I just wanted you to see that relationship. So in this problem, though, they gave us the volume. Notice what did they do? They left it in terms of pi. So we're going to write out our equation, 1/3 pi r squared times h. So notice we have our 3 measurements, 2 radiuses and a height. 1/3 is just a number, same as pi, so that doesn't count as a measurement. So now I plug in my answers. So v equals 27 pi. And then I write equals 1/3 times pi times 2 squared times h, because they're asking us to find the height. So now what do? Well, I can divide by pi because they cancel out. So now I have 27 equals 1/3, and I'm going to do 2 squared, which is 4 times height. All right, so now I got 1/3. Well, if I divide by 1/3, I do 27 divided by 1/3. And what do we do with that? We do 27, keep, change, flip. And this now gives me 81 equals 4h. So now all I have to do is divide by 4, and h equals. And so if we need the calculator, which is fine, we'll break it up here. And now I'm going to just do 81 divided by 4 equals 20.25. Now, notice what was the term in centimeters cubed, but since, remember, volume is 3 measurements, but height is just 1, so you just leave it to the first power. So this would just be my answer. So understand the difference of when you cube it and when you don't. All right, so again, in my opinion, not too hard. So we've now covered all 3 volume formulas. Make sure you memorize those, and we'll go from there. All right.